Hi, I'm Chris from Terra Oracle AI. In this video, I will show you how to connect the Terra Oracle AI platform to John Deere Operations Center. This integration creates a seamless connection between your field data, machine operations, agronomic intelligence, and variable rate applications. Once connected, you can automatically import fields from John Deere Operations Center, share machine and field operation data with the Terra Oracle AI Agronomic Advisor, upload and manage soil analysis data, and export variable rate application prescription files directly back to your John Deere environment. Let's get started. To connect Terra Oracle AI with John Deere Operations Center, navigate to the Connected Platforms tab in the Settings page. Select John Deere Operations Center and click Connect. You will be redirected to the John Deere Authorization page, where you can securely sign in using your John Deere credentials. Once authenticated, review the requested permissions and click Allow Access. Terra Oracle AI uses these permissions to synchronize fields, access operational data, and exchange agronomic information with your John Deere environment. And that's it. Your account is now connected. In some cases, you may also need to grant access to specific organizations within your John Deere Operations Center environment. If prompted, click Select Organizations in John Deere. A list of available organizations will appear. Select the organizations you would like to share with Terra Oracle AI by checking the corresponding boxes. Click Save to confirm your selection. Your John Deere integration is now fully configured and ready to synchronize data with Terra Oracle AI. To import fields from John Deere Operations Center, navigate to the Fields page. From the Add Field drop-down menu in the top right corner, select Import from John Deere. A list of available fields from your John Deere Operations Center account will appear. Terra Oracle AI will automatically identify fields that overlap with existing fields in your account, and will suggest whether they should be connected to an existing field or imported as a new field. Select the fields you would like to import by checking the corresponding boxes. You can import individual fields, entire farms, specific clients, or all available fields using batch selection options. As you make your selection, Terra Oracle AI will automatically calculate and display the total hectare usage associated with the imported fields. Once you are satisfied with your selection, click Connect and Import. Your imported fields will become available immediately in the Fields page. Please note that satellite imagery and NDVI data may require up to 10 minutes to be downloaded and processed before becoming available in the Field Intelligence section. Fields synchronized with John Deere Operations Center will be identified by the John Deere icon displayed in the Platform column, making it easy to track connected fields throughout the system. The Terra Oracle AI platform automatically synchronizes soil analysis data with John Deere Operations Center. Within the Field Intelligence page, you can view soil analysis data generated by the Terra Oracle AI high-resolution soil scanner, as well as laboratory-based soil analysis results uploaded to the platform. Any soil data available within Terra Oracle AI is automatically shared with your connected John Deere Operations Center account. In John Deere Operations Center, the soil analysis will appear in the Field Analyzer tab as a soil analysis operation associated with the relevant field and analysis date. You can explore different soil properties and nutrients by selecting them from the drop-down menu, allowing you to quickly review soil variability and compare multiple layers directly within John Deere Operations Center. To ensure consistency between platforms, the visualization uses agronomic classes and break lines that match those displayed within Terra Oracle AI. Creating and exporting variable rate application prescriptions is simple with Terra Oracle AI. To begin, select the soil property you would like to use for your prescription. This can be a soil analysis layer or an NDVI layer derived from satellite imagery, which is available free of charge within the platform. Once you have selected the desired layer, click Create VRA in the top right corner of the screen. Select the relevant layer and property, then click Create VRA. The Create VRA workspace will open, where you can configure the prescription according to your agronomic requirements. Here, you can adjust the number of management zones, modify breakpoints, select different zoning algorithms, and customize the prescription strategy. Make sure to review and adjust the application rates in the table. The rates will use the same units as your application equipment, typically kilograms per hectare or liters per hectare. The total material quantity required for the prescription is displayed in the lower right corner of the table, allowing you to quickly estimate product requirements. Once you are satisfied with the prescription, click Export and select Export to John Deere Operations Center. After the export is complete, the prescription file will automatically become available within your John Deere Operations Center account. You can find the prescription in the Files section under the Prescriptions tab. To send the prescription to a machine, open the field within John Deere Operations Center and navigate to the Prescriptions page. Select the appropriate application type and click Plan Application. Choose the relevant field, crop, and product. In the Rate section, select the prescription from the RX drop-down menu. The variable rate prescription map will be displayed, allowing you to review the application plan before execution. Once everything looks correct, select the target machine. If the machine is connected to John Deere Operations Center, you can send the prescription wirelessly with a single click, making it immediately available for field operations. Congratulations! Your Terra Oracle AI platform is now fully connected to John Deere Operations Center. You can now seamlessly synchronize fields, share soil intelligence, leverage machine operation data, and create variable rate application prescriptions that flow directly into your John Deere ecosystem. By combining high-resolution soil analysis, satellite imagery, weather data, operational records, and artificial intelligence, Terra Oracle AI helps transform data into actionable agronomic decisions. This integrated workflow reduces manual data handling, improves operational efficiency, and enables more precise application of inputs across every field. Thank you for watching. In our next training videos, we will explore additional Terra Oracle AI capabilities, including CNH connectivity and data integration, AI-powered agronomic recommendations, and advanced precision agriculture workflows. Thank you for choosing Terra Oracle AI.